So guys, the reason I haven't posted the last 2 days, I've been camping. I went camping up in Colorado Mountains. It was pretty fun. Just saying, there will be a stream maybe later today. I'm just saying, I'm sorry about it. And yeah, I hope your weekend went good. Mine went pretty well. I was camping. It was so much fun. Anyway, I just got home. I'm gonna fix my background. I need a green screen is what I need really bad. Whatever, don't bother about it. Anyways, hope you guys understand that I've been gone for a while. Camping and stuff. Yeah, it has been a couple things since we, since we've been with, you guys, it's been a while. It's only been 3 days, but still, it's like, feels like it's been forever. But, yeah, I hope you guys understand. I'll catch you guys later. Peace. If you'll let me end. Yeah, guys, I'll see you all tomorrow. Peace out, people.